Hello, children. Today, we will be learning about classification of computer, but before that, what do you understand by computer? Computer is an electronic machine which accepts data as input, processes it, and brings it out as output. Classification of computer refers to the process of grouping different computer systems based on shared characteristics. They include classification by size. This is the most common way computers are categorized from the giants that power nations to the miniatures in our pockets. 1. Supercomputers, the Formula One of computers. They are the fastest and most expensive. Purpose: complex calculations like weather forecasting, nuclear research, and space exploration. Example: IBM Summit Fugaku. 2. Mainframe computers, the workhorses of big business. They handle massive amounts of data for thousands of users simultaneously. Purpose: used by banks for transactions, insurance companies, and government census data. Example: IBM Z-Series. 3. Minicomputers, smaller than mainframes but more powerful than a PC. Purpose: used by small businesses or specific departments, like a university's payroll department, to support multiple users. 4. Microcomputers, personal computers, designed for individual use. This includes your laptop, desktop, tablet, and smartphone. Purpose: everyday tasks like browsing, gaming, and office work. Classification by generation. First generation, 1940 to 1956. Vacuum tubes. These were massive, expensive, and generated extreme heat. They used machine language zeros and ones and relied on punched cards. Example: ENIAC, UNIVAC. Second generation, 1956 to 1963. Transistors. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes, making computers smaller, faster, and more energy efficient. They introduced assembly language and early high-level languages like COBOL and Fortran. Example: IBM 1401, CDC 1604. Third generation, 1964 to 1971. Integrated circuits, ICs. Engineers placed many transistors on a single silicon chip. This era introduced keyboards and monitors as interfaces instead of punched cards. Example: IBM System 360, PDP-8. Fourth generation, 1971 to present. Microprocessors. Thousands of ICs were built onto a single silicon chip, VLSI. This gave birth to the personal computer, PC, and the Internet. Example: Apple Macintosh, IBM PC, modern laptops. Fifth generation, present and beyond. Artificial intelligence. This generation focuses on parallel processing and software that can mimic human intelligence, such as voice recognition and machine learning. Example: quantum computers, AI-driven systems like Gemini.